Hi guys, it's Ralph. So welcome for another video. So today we are going to be making, I think this is very popular on YouTube, which is slime. So the only ingredients that you will need is glue and then liquid detergent. So this is Ariel from the Philippines. So yeah, and then some spoon to mix with and some bowls. So yeah, let's just get right into the video. And then I forgot, shout out to Katja Erlina. Yeah, she said me to do this video, so shout out to her. So yeah, let's just make this. So yeah guys, so first you need to put the glue. So when you put the glue, you do it one by one and then mix it until it have bubbles on it, so you can see bubbles. So just go. Need to squeeze it because this is more inside. There. Then the other one is probably clear. This is clear. See, it's probably clear. So take it, lid off. There's probably some inside there. Funny. So just squeeze it very there. So I think this will be light green for me because it's white and then green maybe. There. That's all. So there's still more. And then you want to mix it until it have bubbles. See, light green. I think it's mint. It's kind of like mint green. So I think there's no bubbles. So yep, there's bubbles. So you wanna put the liquid detergent, which is this one. This. You want to put this very slowly. So, what's some scissors? So, yep, put the liquid detergent slowly. Just a little. Because you don't want it to be really, really slimy. And it will be really sticky if you will over the liquid detergent. So yeah, mix it thoroughly. So I think it's probably getting together. There. Then we will add more. Oh, it just okay. So it's kind of, just put some detergent, then see it's kind of thickening up as you see the motion of the slime. It's kind of like thickening up. So, ooh, slimy. Then when it's when you think that it's kind of rough, you want to do it on your hands, so you can just like do it really firmly. So see, it's getting together. Then it's kind of getting all this friends. It's kind of rough to mix when it's like this, so properly mixed it. So see, do, see. So one drop, and then we're gonna put it on our hands. And I mean two. But then I made two. So yep, I'm gonna do it like this. Two. Oh, it's so rough. So, and more. Here. So it's kind of like sticking. Why do I move my bowl so much? So when it's like this, you want to put it on your hands. So yeah guys, this is the slime, so I'm gonna put it on my hands. So oh, so stretchy. Oh! Just put it for the thumbnail. Okay, let's just get this off. Then put it in our hand. Good. So they probably have different textures. This glue is just from this store, and the Elmer's glue is different. It has different texture. It's much, I think, it's much better than this, because the Elmer's glue has a, it's called this. It has good texture. It has good texture. And so premise. Then it's kind of getting together. Show view. Then there's no more left here because it's here. So now let's stick in my hand. The slime and so say Kuwaitos. So I'm gonna get it all over my hands. This time's all over my hands. So you wanna add some detergent. So let's add some detergent. There, is it dripping? There. So I probably just like the Elmer's glue than this glue, because the Elmer's glue is just like molten, and then this, when you stretch it, even you can hear this sound. If you can hear that sound, like I don't like it. It's just so cringy. So in the next video, I don't know what I'm going to do. Oh, okay, I'm going to do an oblong. So stay tuned on my next video. I already told you the title. So yep, we're gonna put some liquid detergent, some power gel, I mean power detergent right there. 2 drops. There. So it's kind of like mixing together. So if you're wondering, my hair is different. Yeah, I just got a haircut. Then if you can see my last video yesterday, it was different than this. I was reacting to the 3 dudes. Maybe next I'll be reacting to some, oops, again, I'm not going to tell you again, just funny things. I don't know, I'm just reacting. So good detergent. Then cover it. Cover, and then there. Slime tutorial. Slime-atorium, slime-atorium. What you said into your brain. There's this stick on my head, if you can see this. Focusing. There's so sticky. So, oh, it's molting. It's not sticky. So that's what I like of the slime. For the thumbnail right there, add some last one. Last drop. Oh, there's still here. It's dripping. So put it there. It does not stick. This slime is kind of like not sticky. So when it's not sticky, it's slime. But some slimes are sticky. This is just different. Different. Yeah, I said different. So big. Oh, so sticky. It's just so sticky in my hand. I'm just getting all the excess from this time. So yeah guys, that's already enough. So after this you need to put it in a container, so you're done. So yeah guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment below, and like this video if you like me. Bye.